work. Just hold up my old man's house. Yep, me and Daddy are planning to kick these cocksucking Peggies right in their Eden's Gate.
I said, get over here. So, you're the one that's been putting those bad hombres down. I thought you'd be taller. You...
I'm taking hits up here.
Listen good this time. You a registered voter? Ah, it don't matter. I need help of a different sort. Let's get to the...
Going in for the kill! I have the target in sight!
Cover me! I'm moving up, goddammit!
I'm coming around from the side! Dropping iron on target!
Fucking hell!
Eat it, bad guys! Moving in for the kill!
Rockets, jerkwads!
I'm gonna flank him!
Clean that wax out of your ears. I said, come here.
Don't you worry about me, I'm still here.
What the Christ was I saying? Oh, yeah. Let's get to the point. You see that steaming pile of disappointment over there praying? That's my loin fruit, Hurt Jr. Dumber than a coal bucket. He takes after his mama. Stupid sumbitch went and lost my campaign truck, Nancy. So named after the greatest first lady to ever serve this fine country, of course. If them Obama-loving libtards find out I can't look after my own property, I can kiss this Senate run goodbye. Now, seeing as you're on my land, and I didn't kill you, even though it's well within my rights as a red-blooded American gun owner, I say you owe me. Help numbnuts get my truck back so I can start focusing on my campaign again. Junior, someone's here to help you. Try not to fuck it up.
Man, I hope they get here soon, because I can't feel my...
I can do this.
Hey, man, I'm sorry. I don't want to go on assuming nobody's gender or nothing. I mean, I don't mean no disrespect. I just call all my homies dude or bro or man, you know, regardless of vegetalia or penile-ness. Whoa, deja voodoo, man. Have we met before? Dang, man, my prayers have been answered. I got a direct line to that sweet little monkey god whose heart hangs in heaven. Well, I guess since you're an angel working here on Earth, the Monkey King, that you already know I gotta get my daddy's truck back. I mean, he's real butt sore. But if we get it back, he'll let me sleep in my bed again. And I gotta tell you, man, it's getting real cold outside. Never mind them wood ticks crawling all up in my junk, threatening me with Lyme disease and whatnot. So come on, man. Help me get my daddy's truck back. Let's make dust before the old man starts shooting. He's hotter than a ghost pepper these days. Senate run's been real stressful on him, man. He ain't cut out for that shit. You know how busy he is? Doesn't even have time to cut out for his shit. Shit, man, I've been praying on this all day, man. I've been asking the Monkey King, all the baby Jesuses, even the Bill Valentine's one, just to send me a sign, man, and they sent me you. I'll tell you something, though, man. Getting that truck, it ain't gonna be easy. Damn cult's got it, man. Well, I'll be honest with you, it all started when I tried to join them. I mean, it just seemed like a good...
Hey, Migos, it's me, Herc. Just hold up my old man's house. Yep, me and Daddy are planning to kick these cocksucking Peggies. Hey, Migos. Hey, Migos, it's me. Hey, Migos, it's me, Herc. Just hold up. Hey, Migos, it's me.
I mean, they had all these guns, food, fine-ass females, and I mean, those are three things that I'm really all about. I mean, it seemed like one big party over there, you know, so I says, hey, Migos, where do I sign up? They said, sign up right here, friend. Then they start listing off all their dang rules, man. No fornicating. Turns out that means fucking. No alcohol and no wilding out and partying, man. No thank you. So I got the fuck out of there, man. Unfortunately, though, I forgot my daddy's truck. He's been real butt sore since, so gotta get that truck. But you don't gotta worry about a thing, man. I got a 9-step plan to get this truck back. Step 1, catch a day buzz on party liquor. Got that one covered, homie. Step 2, pray for someone else to solve my problem. Done. Step 3 is... Shit, I forget the rest, but they'll come to me as soon as we go. Dang, you are a good listener, Boba Fett. My old man doesn't listen at all. Guess that's why I never feel heard. Me and him, we ain't getting along that well lately. Ever since he started running for office, he's been coming down on me real hard about everything. About my public intoxication, how I handle my firearms, stuff like that, man. But when we get his truck back from them Peggies, he's gonna be real impressed, dude. He's gonna love me so much, and then my mom's gonna have to try and love me more. She can compete with how much he loves me, and then he'll see how much she's loving me, and then he'll try and love me even more, and then birthdays and Christmases, they're gonna be off the chain. All right, man, this is the place.
post the fucking beer! It'll be fun, man!
I like this kid. Play the card right.
I might let you in on a little something I've been cooking up.
Don't let it eat me!
Here comes crazy! Watch out for that thing! Call the weak! Oh, hell yeah, man! We kicked ass. We like Rosencrantz and Guildenstern over here. Man, I love the theater.
Shit, I heard something. Okay, man, now it's time for step 4. Truck's actually all the way down yonder. Probably more Peggy's waiting for us, too. It's all about the zip line, man. We gonna zip line? Of course that.
Oh, hell yeah, man! We kicked ass. We like Rosencrantz and Guildenstern over here. Man, I love the theater. It's all about the zip line, man. We gonna zip line in there, sneak up on them like ninjas. Oh, hell yeah, man! We kicked ass. We like Rosencrantz and Guildenstern over here. Man, I love the theater.
Okay, man, now it's time for step 4. Truck's actually all the way down yonder. Probably more Peggy's waiting for us, too. It's all about the zip line, man. We gonna zip line in there, sneak up on them like ninjas. Huh?
Fuck yeah, man! Oh, shit, stealth mode, right?
Fuck yeah, man.
This is the shit, man! This is so much fun, man! I won't come back later and do it buck naked. Feel that
Dude, you should hang out with my little cousin Sharky while you're in town. You met him yet, man? He is fucking good people. Yeah, his parents weren't around so much, so I basically raised him, man. He's kind of like my son in a way. I did a kick...
What's that?
Y'all hear something?
Let's get
Copy that! Get ready for the beat!
for real.
That's a damn cougar!
Weakness in the new world.
Nice work, Miko. Okay, step 5, let's move before more show up.
Here it comes.
Oh man, we got trouble. Reach into that there cooler. See if we have any cans of whoop ass left. And pass me a beer if there's one. Man, these guys will not fuck off. One peggy at a time. Look on his face, or whatever was left of it. Please, Monkey King, just make this work, man. Hold on to something. Please, Monkey King, just make this work, man. Hold on to something.
Birds on the way.
Another one.
Hold your dick. We've got unfriendlies. One more for the trophy room.
Oh my God, we pulled it off. Shit, and it was only 5 steps. Oh man, I definitely forgot something, but you did good though. Gonna let you in on a little secret, man. I'm actually starting my own cult, and you are gonna be my first turkey. That's what I call my flock. It's gonna be the cult of you, me, my cousin Sharky, and a bunch of smoking hot ladies. We're just gonna slam back brews and fucking rock it all the time, bro.
Hell, I'm taking hits. God damn it, they made me get blood on my shirt.
Yes, sir.
Motherfucker! Help!
Bro, don't look. Oh, nice.
Feels like I'm dying. Help! Quit fucking shooting me, you cheese dicks! Medic! Somebody!
Ah!
drink some bourbon.
Would you look at that? 2 peas in a goddamn pod. Glad she's still in one piece. Well, Deputy, you kept your word. You know, I did some thinking while you were gone. This whole Senate run is too much for me to handle on my own. I'm in need of a campaign manager, and you're just the kind of go-getter I need to get my ass in office. First task I've got is to take Junior with you wherever you go, so I don't have to hear him praying to that goddamn Monkey King no more. Second task is, let me think on it a bit. I'll get back to you. Well, looky here. It's my new campaign manager. Got a new job for you. Do you know what gerrymandering is? Of course you don't. You're a regular American, just like me. It's boring egghead stuff involving redrawn voting districts, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, the election's coming up, and them eggheads tell me I'm fucked in the polls because those goddamn Peggies ain't gonna be voting for me. Say what you will about lunatic cult movements, but the bottom line is they vote. Now, the eggheads say the only chance I got at winning would be to go back in time and gerrymander them district lines so the Peggies ain't counted. And that got me to thinking I could just as easily win if them Peggies just didn't show up to vote. Now, I'm not telling you how to go about such a thing, wink, wink, but a permanent solution to my temporary problem would work best, if you catch my meaning. Obviously, I'm not saying to murder anyone, because that's still illegal. It is still technically illegal, right? But if there were less Peggies around because they somehow tripped and fell on several dozens of bullets, it would probably help my chances. The district in question is up at the crossroads by the Grill Street Diner. You can take my idiot son with you. He's not good at much, but he can shoot okay. And you know, if this were ever to blow back on us, it would be good to have Patsy. I don't even think he'd get jail time on account of him being a little touched. Well, what you waiting for? Get moving. Killed a cougar with a jackknife once. Don't accidentally set off explosives or walk in front of moving vehicles. And not voting for me, but no pressure. How about you take old Nancy? You go around cleaning up this county in that truck, and all them prospective voters will know who's got their backs. Oh, and please don't bring Hurt Jr. back. Ever.
Been hearing a lot about you. Things you've done.
Cool. These babies are going on the air pronto. You come across any more? I'll add them to the playlist. Hey there, guy.
Peggy's have been taking everything. Gas, parts, you name it. Makes resisting all the more difficult.
far from home, aren't you? I can tell just from looking at you that you're no Peggy. If you were, we'd be having different words. Glad you joined the right side. Call me Bo. I've been living off this land for as long as I can remember. I've seen a lot over the years. Crime, corruption, madness. But nothing like Eden's Gate. Hasn't changed my ways, though. Just another thing to survive against. Ain't nothing more powerful than Mother Nature. But you don't beat her. You work with her. Now, in times like these, it ain't smart relying on man-made junk to save your ass. I can see the skepticism in your eyes. Tell you what, get me some eagle feathers and big old Leviathan bones, and I'll prove it to you.
Target acquired.
Glad you made it back. Good work getting these. I respect folks who can handle themselves in nature. Here, this'll serve you well. Someday, man's creations will all disappear, but Mother Nature will remain. She's a great teacher. Listen to her. Learn from her. And you will persevere.